Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix quick share issues when you cannot receive anything and you're not discoverable on quick share on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So the solution for this problem is pretty simple. Just go to the settings, then go to connected devices, quick share, and now you can see something like who can share with you, and you can set it to no one, or contacts only, or everyone. So if someone who is trying to share with you isn't in your contacts, then you will not be able to receive the quick share from them until you set it for everyone. And you can set it to for everyone and leave the only for 10 minutes checked. So you'll just like turn it on, receive what you have to receive, and it'll turn itself back to contacts only. Or you can disable it so it'll be forever for everyone. But I suggest leaving that on because sometimes people in public places try to quick share something and it might get annoying, it may be something inappropriate or explicit. So if you don't want to receive any explicit quick shares in public places, then if you are setting it to everyone, you can leave it for only for 10 minutes. So it'll revert itself to contacts only. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.